Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very simple strategy on how to trade NAS 100 and US30 the right way. So without wasting much of your time guys, I will show you the trade that we cut on Wednesday and on Thursday, which is today, which is currently running in profit. Okay, so I didn't send this to my free Telegram at all. I sent it to the membership group. Okay, I know there's just few people there, but at least they made money from this. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I would just like to dive straight into this strategy. Okay, so I use smart money concept, okay, of which you all know that. So this trade, I actually sent it to the group, to the free Telegram group, this analysis. Okay, let me just delete this. Okay, let me delete this and this. Okay, so right here, when the market was actually trading around here, we all know that NAS 100 is very bullish. So I was like, okay, if this market should take out this Asian liquidity here and tapped into this zone and give us like a change of character on the 5 minutes time frame, which never happened. Okay, which never happened, but some people in the group will think that it's a loss. It's not a loss. Our criteria wasn't met here, so I didn't take it at all. Okay, so it never happened for me to go long, but I saw it. I said, okay, it smashed through it, no change of character, nothing. I said, okay, that's cool, that's not bad. Okay, so I waited for it to break the structure. So what happened? I now noticed that there is something going on here. Okay, there is something really going on. Okay, and this is it here. Okay, this low has been taken, this one has been taken. What is the market telling us at this point? Okay, so right now, to just break down the full strategy to you, I would just like to go to the daily time frame. You all know I do start my analysis from the daily time frame, and I'm going to be clearing my chart for you guys so you can be able to view everything here. Okay, so on the daily time frame, let me reset my chart. On the daily time frame, I already said this before, we are very bearish, and not just bearish, we all know that Nasdaq and US30 has been in a strong up move. Okay, but due to this Iran fight, I don't know how things got heat up and is melting to the downside as of now. Okay, so right now I was like, okay, this is our low here. First of all, I used to identify my swing high and swing lows. Okay, so this is the last high that was created before a break of structure, and this is it right here, and this is the low. It has broken this low, which is this one here. It has broken it, and it has also broken this, telling us what? That we are in a very big downtrend as of this time. Okay, so right now all my analysis, everything is bearish. I'm looking to take more of sales than buys. Okay, but right now what happened after this market took out this low? You can see it here. After I took out this low, the market has been trying to retrace, because whenever a market breaks a low, it do retrace back upwards. I already told you guys, if you're in my mentorship or if you have been watching my videos, you should know about pullback. After a break of high, there is always a pullback. After a break of strong low or strong high, there is always a pullback. Okay, to continue the downtrend or uptrend, depending on which direction the market is going. Okay, so right now you can see that this market now on the daily has what? Created this bearish candle, this bullish candle, created another one breaking this high. Okay, so on this time around, my main outlook now is to be taking buys only. Why? Because the market is, I want to trade that pullback. I want to trade this market to the discounted area here. Okay, so if you plot our Fibonacci retracement from this low, you can see to this high. Okay, we need to go back inside this 50%, of which is almost close at it. You can see it here. We need to at least trade into this discounted price level, or trade close to it at least, okay, because we are in a premium price now, okay. So we need to trade into the discounted price for us to look for more sales to the downside. That is why we'll be trading longs as of now till we get to that discount zone, okay. But if you see a change of structure, we tend to still follow the main trend, which is still sales, okay. Even if you did not tap into the discounted price, not every time that it does happen like this, but once it start changing structure, we follow it because of what the main trend is bearish. So right now on the daily, we all have derived the bias. We are actually bullish, okay, because this high on the daily, you can see this daily candle which was bearish has been taken, okay, which means there is a change of structure for us to take that longs all the way to the upside. So right now, without wasting much of our time, do we have any demand or any? Yes, we have, but the market is not close to it yet, okay, because that's where we're actually going to be shorting to, but for now we are taking longs, okay. So let me just do this demand zone. So right now, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You all see the way I break my markets down. It's very, very simple to understand, okay. Smart money, it just gives me joy, it just gives me joy, I can't lie, okay. So if you're actually looking at this chart now, what really happened here is that we have this, you can see this is daily high here, but I'll just delete it, okay. So you can see here we have this, the market has been creating higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low again. The market took out this low here, okay. The market took it out, and which high did it form next? So which high took the low out, caused the break of that low? It was this high here, and we all can see it here too, okay. So it was this high, okay, that took out that low. So right now, since it has happened like that, what are we going to do? We are just basically going to what, know that there is a pullback going on the daily, okay. So right now, let's just scale to, so let's look at the 4-hour chart. Do we have any demand zone or any supply, any zone at all, okay? That's what we want to look out for. And right now we actually have this imbalance right here, okay, and I marked it out too. And also on the 4-hour, we have this demand right here. We know that we are just pulling back, okay. We are in a pullback phase, okay. So we might, this demand that you are seeing here, this imbalance that you are seeing here, will just be causing a pullback into our zone to take it all the way to the upside. That's what it's just going to be helping us to do, which is going to causing it to a flip, okay. You can see it come back, retest it, push again until this discounted area has been met, okay. So right now, let's go this way. Let's go to the lower time frame just to refine these zones, and I will show you how I took shots on this trade, okay. So on the 4-hour, we have this high. First of all, we have this liquidity taken here, because if this is not liquidity, I don't know what it's called again, okay. This is liquidity for me. I thought that liquidity was taken, okay. And also we had a low before that happened, okay. Before that happened, we had a high here, okay, and there was a low, okay, but the market came, swept it, and went all the way to the upside, to the downside. So let's go down to the lower time frame so we can be able to figure out this the right way, okay. Let's just go to the 1-hour time frame and see. So look what happened here, okay. So there was a high. Look, this is the demand that I sent to the free Telegram group here. It was this, because sometimes Nasdaq or US30, they don't tend to, give us this pullback. They don't tend to give us to pull back all the way to a very long, to a very far demand. They're always very, very bullish, especially when they're in a bullish phase, okay. They tend to take their trends so very, very far. They don't even waste time at all, okay. So this is it. I said, okay, if it doesn't pull back into this discounted area, it will still come to this one, at least tap into it, then push up, Okay, but right now we have tapped into this imbalance right here. What are we expecting? If we can see a change of structure, then we look to sell to the downside. But right here, see what happened here is that, see one thing that confused me at first. Okay, I saw this, I was just waiting for a change of structure on the 5 minutes, but I couldn't see it. Okay, but I realized that, okay, this is a high, this is more like equal highs here. The market came down, formed a low. You can see the market formed a low, and what happened? It took these two equal highs here out. Let me mark it well. It took these two equal highs out. Can you see? That is market taking liquidity for you. It took it out, and what happened next? The market smashed. You can see it created this low, took it all out, tapped into this imbalance zone, and what happened? It pumped down. We are still expecting a buy from here, but it didn't give us a change of structure. Okay, so it breaks through it, tap into this one below here, and pulled all the way backwards. But I see that there is now change of character at this point, and our major trend is what? Bearish. We are very, very bearish. So we won't just be taking this one. It has failed two demand zone here already. It has failed one demand zone and tapped into one. So I won't take this buys for now. So I won't take it. I left it, and what happened? I waited for something else instead. Okay, as there was a break of structure here, you can see the bullish engulfing here. It just engulfed it and break all the way to the downside. So right here we have another supply zone. This is one reason why you should trade demand and supply and demand, man. It's just fun. It just deals with complete structure in the market. Okay, so before we scale down the lower time frame, I would like to highlight this one here. Okay, I would like to highlight it. This mini demand zone inside the 4-hour demand. Okay, so this is it right here. Right now, let's go to the 15 minutes. Everything just looks so simple, guys. So simple. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, so look at this right now. You can see the way the market just created this low, swept this Asian low yesterday. What happened? It breaks all the way to the upside. What happened next? The market came down, smashed all the way to the downside, taking this demand zone out. That is one, and tapped into this one. There was never a change of nice character here. Everything just happened, boom. And I was like, okay, come right here, let me snipe you. And immediately it came. I sent it to the VIP group, okay, not the free Telegram group, in case if you did not see that. So that's it. So right now, look what happened. You all know that I work with limits. Okay, you all know I work with limits. Limit orders only. Limit orders. So sometimes I do execute. I can't lie. I put it just below here. This is the demand zone right here. Let me put it in a it was around here, just on this body of this candle. That is where it stopped. Okay, that's where it stopped, just on the body of this candle. That's where I bagged it out. Okay, so, and that was it. First of all, my target was this low. Okay, when this market was pulling to 1-to-1, I was like, okay, you guys should take your profit and set your break even. And the market pulled back. I never tapped us out. Okay, so what happened here is that we had this this was the demand here. Okay, this was where I was like, okay, you guys should just put it on this refinement here. Okay, put your stop loss right there. Where are we targeting? We are targeting this next demand. Okay, this was where it is, but I put it here because the market can just tap into this other flow and it will just pull back. So, and that was it for that one. This one is this early morning. Okay, this early morning, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. I show you what I saw. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, look what happened here. The market tapped into it. You can see break below the Asian low, all my limit was already set. All my limit was set. So during this it's still London session, it's not New York session yet. Okay, so it created this low. I was now looking at the candles. Why the candle forming like this? Then it tapped in the first one and it tapped in the second one. Boom. And this one, I just set my limit just above here. That was how I caught that one. And yeah, this is the way the trade appears here. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, and I put my stop loss below in case if it comes to take out that low, I will just be out straight away. If it comes to take this low, it will just here around there. But let me go to the 15 minutes so I can be able to put the stop loss better. Yes, it was just below this low. And that is it, guys. Where are we going to? We're going to take the highs. Okay, that's where we're going to next. We're going to take this demand, but for me, I will be closing out soon. Okay, I'll be closing out soon. Why would I be closing out soon? Because of what? The Asian high has been swept. We have broken this high. I might be seeing retracement back down here to take it all the way to the upside. But for me, I'm grateful, man. I'm grateful at this point. And if you enjoy watching this video, kindly subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. Okay, like this video if you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, you can check out another channel. Okay, here we do it, the way it is. If you have been my mentee before and I lost contact with you, kindly message me on the WhatsApp number, using the WhatsApp number below, please. Okay, I lost my contact and that was it. Just message me, I can add you back. And if you want to join my mentorship group, kindly still message me using the WhatsApp. Okay, so you can make your payments there or anything there. So guys, see you on the next video. I love you all. Bye.